I'm here giving you another day to motherfucking soul. So if you want to know how I do this style of my hair, really quick, really easy. It took me like all of less than 10 minutes, I think. So last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Because if you want more tips like this, I'm back. It's 2022 and I'm back. Duh. Let me tell you, honey, if you're not looking to do all that lace front, this is the wig for you, baby. I just got this AliExpress. This is 34 inches. It cost me like $230. Because if you had gone on Amazon to try and get this wig would have cost you $400 something. So, baby girl, I'm giving you a hook to the hook up. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. This is between me and you, sis. Okay? Between me and you. It's a V-part wig. Comes with all these awesome clips. So 2 clips here, 2 clips there. 1 clip way in the back, which I really didn't like, but whatever. And then 2 clips on, or I should say pins on the side, and 1 in the back. And they obviously come with like the little classic adjustable straps. It's got breathable fabric, so it is very breathable. And again, this is 34 inches. Honey, I don't do 22. Don't send me no 22. If you're trying to send me a wig for me to style, it needs to be 30 inches or more. I do 30 inches in my 30s. Thank you. Like, no play. 30 for 30. 30 for 30. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, this wig can be kind of tricky. So I'm still trying to get the hang of this wig. Still got a lot to learn. But let me show you guys how I kind of just like threw it on. So I'm gonna wet my hair real quick, because this baby girl, she is holding. And I'm using even edge control. You can see this shit is expensive, but whatever. Here, I make sure the center part is like parted. And then I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna kind of raise this a little bit. I kind of want to raise this out a little bit. I don't want it to be so flat. See, that's the trick. You don't want it to be so flat. That's why some of the girls, they'll use braids. But I have braids, but I don't have time to do all that extra stuff right now. So we're just gonna lift the hair up. And as you can see, my hair is already like from yesterday. I'm just really just adding more product just to show you guys how easy this is. Don't mess with these 2 pieces in the front. Do y'all swoops and stuff, that's on you. I'm just gonna do some simple baby hairs. So now that my eggs have boiled over, because you know it's morning time, I'm just getting ready for work. I have a meeting at 9 here in the house. So you know what, I be just thinking about this, ladies. Even if you're working from home, we still gotta be fabulous. I'm getting ready for work. But you know where I'm going to work? My office. And that's okay. So that's why you still gotta get ready. You don't wanna walk around like you're not ready for life, right? Not perfect, but we just gonna keep it moving. Imagine if y'all was just about to go on a catamaran or something in Jamaica. This is the wig for you, because you can jump into the ocean with it. It's human hair, so I'm not like really worried about it, like, you know, looking a whole rat's nest afterwards. And also it's a clip-in, so it's not perfect. It don't gotta stay forever. Wig caps can be kind of tricky with the V part, so you gotta be a little careful. It's pretty much gonna go way back, but you just want to keep the hair back there. This is gonna take a little adjusting, some maneuvering, some figuring out how to get it to align properly with your hair. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But once you kind of master your own hair with it, it'll be just fine. So you see, but now we just kind of got to figure out how we're going to get this in there. Now I want you to see too how far this other clip is in the back. And that's kind of annoying, like I said, because I don't really use that because it's so far back and I wear a, what's it called? Wig cap. So that one's pretty much just gonna stay there. Now I like to do like all the aligning and everything first, just to see, you know, where it's gonna go. And I crossed over, so here's 2 clips here. I actually crossed over and then I'll clip it down. Get it? So I kind of cross over the hairline and then clip it down. See that? I'm trying to figure out how I can do the other side. Kind of cross over the hairline. And kind of just clip it where you place it. Don't try and like slide it, just kind of put it and clip it, right? So I'm on this last one. See this last clip? We're gonna kind of come over and clip. Wow, that looks really good. And then we come, and only if you really want to, you can take these clips here. If you just want a little bit more security. I do them last, but you need to be very careful when you do them, because if you already have the other ones clipped, you don't want them to kind of pull your hair. So, and there you go. It looks good. I mean, I kind of cut it. When I first got it, it was very flappy, as you can see, but I kind of trimmed down the lace. Then what they say, right? So if I was just to like lay it flat, it would look like that. But a lot of girls will take some hair. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna take right here. Right here. And they'll tease it. And that's all I'm trying to do. Just take a little hair. And tease it. Look. Now, granted, if the wind catches you, baby, this is not an updo. This is not an updo, unless you decide to leave some leave out. If I left some leave out, baby girl, I'm up doing this all motherfucking day. This is just boat ride look, okay? I'm giving you everything you need to give without all the extra stuff that has to be done. There is also a method to like completely hiding this lace right here, because I know you could probably see it a little bit, but I'll have to show that in another video when I do the crochet method. And I feel like it's giving what it needs to give. Mind you, I have put some mousse on it earlier, and so it was giving me a real wet look, but now the mousse kind of like dried out, so it's just giving me fluff. And this is Brazilian Remy. Give it a little shape right here. So, you know, just a little something, something, something. So if you like what you see, you like how you see it, baby, this is for you. This is easy. And if you're like me, we're a lazy natural, we're a lazy glam, we slay effortlessly. Let me tell you, this is it. If you didn't know, now you know.